is a Walmart bundle for $539. This is what it comes with. Ultimex backpack, carrying case. Looks pretty good. Definitely be using this one. Has different compartments. They're Velcroed in, so you could change them, make it to the size you want. Feels like it's pretty tough. I like it. Padded pads. It's nice. I like it. Next, you have the Ultimex landing pad. Let's see what's in here. Check it out. Very securely. It's not plastic. Let's get it open and see what the heck this is and how big it is. Holy shit, that's big. See, Ultimax again. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, you got some stakes, a light. So the pad doesn't fly away. It's just a little bit windy. See what else is in here. Some deflectors so you can put around the landing pad. Pretty cool. Next I have this extender. It's supposed to give the drone more length to go further. Here, let me open it and show you guys how it looks and what it is. Feels like it's pretty smooth, pretty good material. I don't know how it works, but I will be trying this. Put it back in the same package. See what's next. Comes with a bunch of stuff in here. Stuff that I probably wouldn't even use or won't use. Next, this is the pad holder. If you have an iPad or Samsung tablet or whatever bigger than your phone, you just attach it to it. That's the receipt. It tells me everything that's in there in the box. This is the Gimbal Protector. You put it in front of your camera, protect it so no rocks or anything hits it. And this is a cleaning starter kit. I probably won't even use it. Whatever, they sent it to me. So it's there. And right here you have another set of props, just in case yours gets damaged. You have another set of 4 to replace them. There's 4 in this package. Pretty cool. You also get this 32 gigabyte SanDisk SD card. What else is in here? Let's see. This is a USB to your phone transfer. Right here we have the phone shade for your control, so the sun doesn't give you a big old glare, so you can see your phone. This is just a little white Ultimax chain to click it to your bag and give it a little bit of look or whatever. What else is here? This is just a cleaning pad. Oops, upside down. Hold on. There it is. Just a cleaning pad. They also sent you the VR headset. I don't know how this works, but I'm gonna try it, and I'll probably make a video so you guys can see it. Just a regular VR. I guess it's the cheapy kind. Oops, I hope it didn't break. Oh well. And this is the remote, the DJI One Spark remote. By itself, it's $160, $170. It comes with a bundle, $539. So I think it's good to have the remote. Here's the drone. I'm gonna make a video on its own. It'll be up in a couple of days. Thank you.